Since 1870, Amstel is synonymous with friendship and innovation. Friendship, because the Amstel Brewery was founded by brothers-in-law and friends Charles de Pesters and Johannes van Marwijk. And innovation, because Charles and Johannes decided to dedicate their entire brewery to the newest and hottest beer in town, Pilsner. By the end of the 19th century, the Amstel recipe was perfected. So in the 20th century, it was about time for some new ideas to improve the way consumers could enjoy their Amstel beer. Already in the 1930s, Amstel introduced the innovative Amstel Stoop, its very first home draft system. In the 1950s, Amstel was among the first to start selling canned beer. And in 1964, Amstel introduced its craziest innovation yet, the flip topper. The idea was simple but smart. Thanks to the funny-looking flip topper, opening a bottle of beer was never easier. The flip topper's success, however, was short-lived, because it turned out the caps came off a little too easily. After 150 years, Amstel continues to innovate today. Think of our latest innovations: Amstel Ultra, Amstel Malt, and our Amstel IPAs. In the true spirit of its founders, Amstel has never been afraid to try something new. After all, the next innovation could be the one that changes everything.